Okay, hi friends, I'm Justin Joseph Raj. I'm glad to see you all again. And now we are going to see some Python programming about list manipulation. And this we are having totally six program friends. The very first program is we are getting an input from a input list from a user, and we are going to remove some particular words from it. And let us see, friends. And first program is this. Uh, and a we are getting an input string from a user and we are printing it as a and word is equal to we are getting input which word we want to going to remove from the list, and b is an integer value, and which word we are going to remove from which place we want to remove. We are printing a new list in square brackets, counting from 0 for j in a. If j is equal to word, count equal to count plus 1, else new list is append j. If count is equal to 0, print word not found. Now we are going to run this program. Enter this. And we are getting an output. And a second program is we are getting a list of numbers, both positive and negative. We are going to count how many positive and how many negative numbers are in the list. For this, we are getting a number from our users, and a is the length of b, and positive and negative is equal to 0. We are putting in a for loop and executing. If it is equal to 0, continue. If b of j is greater than 0, is a positive, else is a negative value. Print the list is v of 0 to a plus 1 is the entire list we are getting, and the positive values are the positive values we are in the list, and negative numbers are the negative value provided in the list. By running this program, we are getting an output for this. And the third program is given a list of numbers and remove a duplicate elements and printing a remaining elements. For this, we are providing and getting a numbers, a set of numbers, and c is equal to set of b. We are printing a list of duplicate numbers what we are getting as an input, and the list without duplicate numbers or the list which repeated numbers are removed. The numbers are yes, we are getting an output. And our fourth program is we are getting a distinct numbers as an integer, and we are going to find out the third maximum and the third minimum number in the list and displaying it as a number. And b is equal to int x. For x in input, enter the numbers. We are splitting it into the square bracket. And a is equal to shorter b. We are sorting from as a ascending order. We are printing a, and the third maximum number is a of minus 3, and the third minimum number is a of 2. And see, we are giving 5 values, and the third maximum and third minimum numbers are 34. And our fifth program is we are giving a list of numbers as integers. Find out the numbers which are multiplying by 3 and 5 and both the numbers. We are getting a list of numbers in a set of b for loop. There are 3 sets: multiplying by 3, multiplying by 3 and 5, and multiplying by 5. We are putting in a for loop. If b of j mod 3 is equal to 0 and b of j mod 5 is equal to 0, multiple 3 5 upon bj. If b of j mod 3 is equal to 0, multiple 3 upon b of j. If b of j multiple modulus of 5 is equal to 0, multiple 5 upon b of j. Then we are printing a number multiplied by 3 and numbers multiplied by 5, number multiplied by both 3 and 5. For this, our inputs are 33, 35, 30, 45, 90, 55, 65. We have separated the list of numbers which is 22 like 3, 5 and both 3 and 5. And the last program is to we are providing a list of strings, and we're going to separate the string with single letters and double letters, triple, and as per as order. We are getting a number of strings from the user. Len max key is equal to length of is the one is equal to empty square bracket and temp is equal to empty square bracket, and we are putting in a for loop I. The range is equal to 0 comma a plus 1. Again in a for loop for x in v, if length of x is equal to I, the temp is append x, and 1 append temp, and temp is equal to empty square bracket, while empty square bracket in 1, 1 dot remove is equal to empty square bracket. We are printing as I. For this we are ty u y n x y. See, it's separated as an input. And thank you friends, and thank you for watching this video.